Diego for that sweet, sweet opening number. Thank you very much, Diego. Hi, Janine. Kindly take your seat. Yes? The first time that this has happened here. So, think what you want, think what you will of it, but we just noticed it. Yes. So now, let's talk about you as a returning kapamilya, Janine. Like, what does it mean to be a kapamilya still? And what are you looking forward to as a returning kapamilya?
Yes, oh my gosh. Well, I'm truly, truly so grateful to be a kapamilya. Thank you so much. Thank you for that. Alam ng pamilya ko kung gaano ka saya ako in this moment and how grateful I am to be part of ABS-CBN and now Star Magic. So thank you so much for really taking care of me and making this moment possible for me. Thank you to my parents and my siblings, and syempre lahat naman ng ginagawa ko is also para sa kanila.
Yes, at least.
Actually, I'm really happy kasi parang, this is not just a network contract signing for me. It's also the beginning of my journey officially with you, Direk Lauren, and Star Magic, Kuya Alan. So thank you also, Tita Cory, because, we're all really under your wing and we're so grateful. I'm so grateful dahil alam ko kung gaano ka-tight at talagang supportive ang Star Magic family. Even the first time na nagpunta ako sa office, Direk Lauren, ramdam na ramdam ko na. So, ang laking pasasalamat ko. Actually, Diego, niloloko nga ako na ginagaya ko siya. Pero sabi ni Mama, dati ko pa gusto. So, nauna talaga ako.
The Star Magic family now. It's always been her dream, but we are also grateful to have her in the family. Such a beautiful and talented actress, a multi-awarded actress at that, is now officially part of our family. And this is her very first Star Magic contract. Congratulations! And looks like everyone has already signed. So there you have it, mga kapamilya. Just like that, Janine is once again a true certified kapamilya and now a fellow Tatak Star Magic artist. Congratulations, Janine! So in your special day, Janine, sigurado ako na beyond the proud ang loved ones mo sa'yo.
Hi!
Please join us over there, Sir Edo.
Oh, hello! This is
Wow.
to sit beside you guys.
Jericho just said this is Janine's dream, to sit beside them. Talagang surprise to mga kapamilya. Hindi po alam ni Janine na pupunta si Mr. Jericho Rosales today. It really was a surprise. Thank you very much. And now everyone's exchanging hugs. Of course, Jericho Rosales. Also, a very familiar face here in ABS-CBN, one of our prized actors as well. Legendary Jericho
I'm
Rosales.
not pwede tayo. I'll be here.
Everyone please settle down, yes, because we're gonna be hearing from Mr. Jericho
yeah?
Rosales. Hingi po kami ng message sa inyo
Sure.
para kay Janine.
Thank God you signed the contract kasi kung hindi ako papasok. That was my cue eh. Yeah, you would have received the flowers from your Star Magic family. So, it's always been about family. You started here because you love your family so much. And I love that story that you just, wanted to become an artist. You're an artist. You wanted to become an actor. Sayang, you didn't want to be a singer. But you sing great. Yeah, pagtayong dalawa lang. But I'm so happy because you have dreams and I know your dreams and I know you personally. And a great family behind you, supporting your dreams. A great network. I've known Kuya Alan for so long. You know Tita Cory, Direk Lauren, of course, yung mga gwapong katabi mong dalawa. Yung tatlo pa dun sa gilid. And you're in good hands and you know that. So happy for, thank you also. This is her dream to sit beside Carlo and Direk Lauren. This is an amazing day for you and I know how much you wanted to seal the deal, to be a part of this family. So this partnership is going to be amazing, and I look forward to your films, to your TV projects, and everything that you want to do. Have so much fun. I'm so proud of you. I love you. First time may nagsabi siya, I love you, no, sa TV.
Mark, napupugan natin yung close up, yes? First time pa naman
Pag-edit na
nangyayari.
lang po lang, live feed ba to?
Like, wala nang bawian.
Sorry. Anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you very much once again, Mr. Jericho Rosales, everyone!
On that note, ang swerte mo kasi I never had this eh. I never had, tita ko, I never had this ha. Ganyan ka lang ang picture sa may flowers na ganito. And Diego singing, but guys, okay, I'm a kapamilya forever. You know that. Alright, I'm out of here.
We love you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Jericho Rosales.
I love you guys. I love
Thank you
you.
so much for dropping by.
Of course, I am so grateful na they accepted me with open arms because alam ko na Star Magic is super loaded and packed with so many talented kapamilyas and actors and talagang a lot of people that I look up to. So, I'm so happy na meron pa palang space for me and siguro just coming into this new contract with ABS, syempre madami pa akong gustong gawin and ma-achieve and I know that under the guidance of Star Magic na talagang very successful in mentoring and supporting their artists. Alam ko na mas madami pa akong mararating. Part of Cinemalaya in 2022, so now to be back this year with a film, excited ako dyan.
Can you share with us sino yung mga kasama mo sa Mag-iina?
Yes. Well, so far ang in-announce pa lang is si Miss Pai, si Miss Cherry Pai. Isa talaga sa mga hinahangaan kong dramatic actresses. And then the screenplay is actually based on a Palanca award-winning play. So, yun, sa Cinemalaya. Tapos sa September naman, on Netflix naman, Balaraw. So, that's a horror that is directed by Ray Red. And kasama din dito si Charlie Dizon, Ronnie Lazaro, Miss Agot Isidro, at madami pang iba. Kapuso. And of course, ako din bilang former Kapuso, I'm always grateful to them sa lahat ng tulong nila sa akin at the start of my career. And ang cool lang to think na with everything now, there's a possibility na makatrabaho ko ulit yung mga nakatrabaho ko ulit before.
So, isa pa yan sa Let's Manifest, no? Why not? Okay.
Dami pa. Super dami ko pang gustong gawin. I can't think of any specific na role, pero mahilig ako sa mga historical na film and that would be something na fantasy for me din, na makagawa ng ganong klaseng project.
Never ba? Never ba nag-period?
Never pa. Parang small lang before sa parang pinakaunang Cinemalaya film ko before. Pero hindi yung talagang mahaba na historical film. So yun, dream ko yun. Pero also yun nga, to get to do yung mga collabs with international productions or mga... Dami pa! Well, andyan si Megastar, so sana makawork ko siya.
Shout out ko.
Talagang nandun.
Shout out ko kay Alexan.
Yes. Si Anne, super idol ko si Anne ever since. Si Joshua, I know how good of an actor he is. Si Belle, alam ko din kung gaano kagaling si Belle and actually sobrang dami pa eh. Pero, yeah.
By the way, shout out to Belle and Donnie sa
Their movie.
Tayo sa wakas, panoorin po natin mga kapamilya.
Siyempre si Dear Cathy. And then for example, sa pelikula naman, fan ako ni Eric Mati, Direk Eric Mati, Direk Gerald Darrow, Direk Tonet, Hadaone. So madami pa ang mga pinapangarap na makakolab.
Mag-guest ka, no? Kay Dirk Tonet.
Bukas! Oo nga, see guys!
Sana ka!
Bukas ang walang pwede ng podcast.
Yes, panoorin po natin yan. Okay, next question.